After our evening walk to Gandagar and Turji Ka Jalra, we wrapped our evening with a magical rooftop dinner. Under the open sky, the Mehrangarh Fort towered above us, bathed in golden light and casting its timeless watch over the city. The entry gates of the fort gives you a glimpse of Jodhpur's famous blue skyline. These cobalt washed houses hugging the fort's base are not just stunning to look at. The blue is believed to repel the insects, keep homes cooler in the desert heat, and carries deep cultural roots originally linked to Brahmin households. Mehrangarh Fort itself is one of India's largest and most formidable, standing proudly about 400 feet above the city. Once the capital of the powerful Rathod rulers, a proud branch of Rajput clan, Mehrangarh is steeped in legend. Its name, meaning Fort of the Sun, reflects the Rathod claimed descent from the sun god Surya. Epic history you can almost feel in its ancient stones. Wandering its massive ramparts, you step into another era, with grand floors like Sheesh Mahal, aptly named the Hall of Mirrors, dazzle visitors with its intricate mosaic of glasswork and reflective surfaces. A signature of royal Rajput architecture. Step inside, and every glimmer and shreds seem to echo tales of opulence and artistry from centuries past. And then there is the Fool Mahal or Flower Palace, a hall as delicate and beautiful as its name suggests. Believed to have been a pleasure chamber where Maharajas enjoyed performances by royal dancers. The room's exquisite design was crafted to resemble a grand blossoming flower. Richly decorated and layered in detail, it whispers stories of music, art, and royal leisure. The Grand Moti Mahal or Pearl Palace stands as one of the oldest and most majestic chambers in the fort. Once the main hall where the king addressed matters of state, it impresses with wall coated in a unique blend of lime plasters and crushed seashells, creating a luminous pearly sheen. It was here, amidst this resplendent walls, that the coronation ceremonies of many Rathod rulers took place. Together, these halls are more than rooms. They are living tapestries of Mehrangat history, each corner offering glimpse into the lavish lives and layered legends of Jodhpur's royal past. To do it justice, you will have to spend at least 3 to 4 hours soaking in the fort's craftsmanship, rich museum collections, and sweeping views over the Blue City. These are iconic walls of Mehrangarh Fort, soaring 120 feet high and stretching 65 feet wide, are a testament to its formidable defensive strength and breathtaking architectural grandeur. From there, we walk to Jaswantara, often called the Taj Mahal of Marwar, built in 1899 by Maharaj Sardar Singh to honor his father. Maharaj Jaswant Singh II, this elegant white marble cenotaph is a peaceful retreat. Away from the crowds, its delicate carvings, triangle gardens, and quiet reflection pools created a serene space to pause, breathe, and simply take it all in.